15. So what are my factors of 15? So 1 is a factor of every number. Then with 1, I will get another factor, 15 divided by 1, 15, because every number is a factor of itself. And 1 is the smallest factor of the number. Then 15 is not divisible by 2, but 15 is divisible by 3. The other factor I will get is 15 divided by 3, 5. Then 15 is not divisible by 4. 4 के बाद 5 आ गया, तो अब मुझे आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. For your school exam, you will have to write in ascending order 1, 15, 3, 5 like this. याद आ गया सबको? So give me all the factors of 40, guys. चलो. So Rida, send your answer, beta.
Sir,
Should I explain again, kids?
no, sir. Yes.
Because see, the किसका एक्सप्लेन करूं 20 किसका एक्सप्लेन करूं 12 का एक्सप्लेन करूं रिदा आता है तो फिर कर लो फिर वापस क्यों बोला एक्सप्लेन करूं कर लो अच्छी बात है
So do we have to send in ascending order?
it's up to you in the class it's up to you better you send me in ascending order but नहीं भी करो तो क्लास में चले
Okay.
and that means you miss 2 factors
Yes, sir.
and 2 means that you miss 2 factors
Yes, ma'am.
so oh dear Annie
Sir, we have to do with 12 also. So that I mistakenly sent to
Beta,
you.
which if 40 comes in the table of 12 then you
Sir,
have to
I
check
mistakenly sent to you. So
I will check for you and Osama. Naughty boy, पूरा correct नहीं है. There is a mistake. And Rida, you can speak your answer quickly.
Sir, me? I have sent to
Yes.
Ragni ma'am.
Beta, you have sent to Ragini ma'am. चलो ठीक है. Then see guys. First of all, 1 is a factor. 40
Sir, I
divided
forgot
and
it.
40 is a
Right
factor.
to eight.
अधिराज 40 नहीं लिखा बेटा आपने 40 तो स्टार्ट में ही लिख देने चाहिए आपको
Yes, sir.
then beta you wrote 2 which is correct 40 divided by 2 gives you 20 then It is 3 is not a factor, but 4 is a factor. 40 divided by 4 will give you 10. Okay.
Sir, I missed 4 and 40.
And बेटा मैं आपको और क्या बताता हूँ, नहीं 4 लिखा है आपने. Then बेटा 5 is not a factor. 5 is a factor. 40 divided by 5 क्या होगा? 40 divided by 5 अतिराज?
सर मैंने किया ही नहीं.
आप ओरल बता दो 40 divided by 5 क्या होगा?
Sir, 40 divided by 5 will be 8.
40 divided by 5 will be 8. अब इसके बाद 6 is not a factor, 7 is not a factor. फिर ये 8 वापस आ गया, तो 8 आ गया तो 8 तो मैंने ऑलरेडी लिख दिया है. And
Yes,
these
sir.
are all my factors. Okay. Find all the factors of 50. Avyan has sent a worksheet for your school exam. Start doing this. Aisha, Avyan, start doing this. Avyan, याद है factors कैसे solve करते हैं, निकालते हैं? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Aisha, do you remember how to find factors?
Sir, what are you saying? I cannot listen.
Do you remember how we find factors?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, do it.
Sir, can I off my camera? My internet is very poor today.
Beta, you can off your camera, but your mic should be on.
Okay, sir.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਕਰ ਓਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਬਾਤ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਜੋਲਦੀ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਬਾਨ ਦਾ
Sir, I accidentally sent to you. Sir, I accidentally sent to you.
Okay, Avyan, you have sent to me. Guys, hurry up. Okay, Avyan, very good, beta, you remember. Very good, Rida. Oh, Da has sent the correct answer. My goodness. Guys, please give a big hand for Da. Very good, Da. So because Da always gives the Da questions correct. But this time it was not a Da question. Still she gave it correct, and that's why I'm very excited.
Sir, it was a dark question only.
It was a Da question only.
Yes, sir, it was easy. Bit of dark question. Sir, it was dark question.
Chalo,
was
theek hai.
a
So naughty boy Sammy,
Sir, it was a dark question. Only you think.
Dr. Aisha,
Sir, Sir, I'm doing.
डॉक्टर आयशा, आपके मार्क्स कितने आए?
क्या मैं भाई को भगा रहा हूँ, मुझे सारे देखेंगे तो कितनी गंदी है।
Sir, in which
मैथ्स बेटा, मैथ्स का ही पूछूंगा ना मैं।
सर
मैं
मैथ्स
maths-
नहीं पता है।
sir, अभी नहीं पता है कल पेपर था।
चलो आप आंसर बोल दो। रेस्ट किड्स कैन डू फॉर 60. प्लीज स्पीक द आंसर डॉक्टर आयशा.
ऑलरेडी वी
1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have done this only.
बेटा ऐसे नहीं करते 1 2 3 4 5. देखो 1 इज अ फैक्टर,
ऑल फैक्टर्स
साथ में 50 भी फैक्टर होगा. देन 2 इज अ फैक्टर, तो साथ में 25 भी फैक्टर होगा. देन 5 इज अ फैक्टर. ऐसे करते हैं बेटा. वी डिवाइड. जैसे मेरे पास 2 आया ना आयशा, आई विल डिवाइड 50 by 2 to get 25. अंडरस्टूड?
Sir, I understood.
देन 5 फैक्टर आया, 50 को 5 से डिवाइड करो. व्हाट एल्स विल यू गेट?
Sir, 50 divided by 5 is
Is
10.
10. तो 10 is also a factor. 6 7 8 9 फैक्टर नहीं है, फिर वापस 10 रिपीट हो गया. ऑलराइट.
Sir, but 3 will also be a factor.
3 की क्या डिविजिबिलिटी रूल होता है?
Sorry,
If
sir.
we add the digits 5 plus 0. ठीक है, do for 60 now.
60. 60. Two 60, 30.
Naughty boy.
यस
Do it carefully, guys. 60 has lot of factors. I am making this a star question. Do it carefully. 60 has lot of factors.
Sir, I'm writing on a notebook and it is very hard.
Oh, you are writing on a notebook. I thought you were writing on the table.
No, sir. Sir, I always write in a notebook.
Sir, I hate this question. Pakka Annie and Sudoku will get this wrong.
Beta, you don't know Sudoku. She's
Let's
not
see.
form.
Let's see if we'll
When
get it
Sudoku will
wrong.
come to form, she will, challenge Osama as well.
No. One
Sir,
of
nobody
them
can
pakka
challenge
get wrong.
Sir, nobody can challenge Usama the Great.
Beta,
We
this time
can.
there are 2 contenders for Osama. One is Ritvi Singh.
Struggling over here.
Sir, it is. I think it's an easy one.
No, sir, it is very hard.
Golu with the purple band.
Sent, sir. I think I will get it correct. I'm not sure.
Sir, if only 2 people can get it correct, can you make this a kids question?
Yes.
How did I get two of
Please
them
nobody get it
wrong?
correct. Please nobody get it correct.
Sir, can I have a question for you? Sir, can I solve it again? I made a mistake and I understood it.
You can solve it again, but you can send the factors that you missed. The ma'am के पास अगर time होगा, ma'am check कर.
I sent some.
Sammy, Ritvi, naughty boy.
Dr. Aisha is also
Sir.
not saying.
Sir,
Right.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the chat, I have not sent 2 of them. I have written it.
Ma'am, please check my
I'm done.
13 are missing.
One is missing in the second exam.
यार तो दोबारा मत भी कर सर खुद इसमें 13 से तो कम ही है
I have sent.
So naughty boy and Aisha, have you sent?
Oh, sir, I
but I'm not really very sure. And I think sir, I think
आयशा आप फैक्टर्स बोलो बेटा.
I think-
one is a factor, two
Then
is a
you-
factor.
Sir, I
बेटा
tried.
1 आया तो 60 भी बोल रहे हैं ना साथ में.
सर मैंने 60 लास्ट में लिखा है.
ठीक है 1 बोलो. 2 आफ्टर 2.
1 2 3 30 5 and 6 15
बेटा
10.
एक मिनट. 3 के बाद 4 नहीं बोला आपने.
Sir, I have written 4 in something else place.
4
मैंने
उसके बाद कौन सा?
6.
5 6 और उसके बाद
Sir, 8.
8 के टेबल में बेटा 60 नहीं आता. 8 7s are 56.
Sorry, sir. I have forgotten.
Then
Sir, 15 10
बेटा लिसन. 10 है 15 है और
Sir, 20.
ओके और
The answer uh, sir, I have not written more.
बेटा यू मिस 12 क्योंकि 5 फैक्टर है. जब आप 60 डिवाइड बाय 5 करोगे तो 12 आएगा. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ गो इन ऑर्डर. अगर आप ऑर्डर में जाओगे देखो मैं बताता हूँ.
Sir, divide करना है.
60 के बाद 1 आया 60 आ गया. 2 आया 30 आ गया. 3 आया 20 आ गया. 4 आ गया 15 आ गया. 5 12 6 10 7 8 9 फैक्टर नहीं है. ये मेरे फैक्टर्स कंप्लीट. सो यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस और यू कैन डू इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए ऐसे कर सकते हो.
Sir, I only missed
1
12.
and 60 2 and 30 ये देखो ये पेयर बनते जा रहे हैं because factors are in pair. Unless it's a perfect square, factors will be in pair. मतलब perfect square कौन से होते हैं?
Sir,
9 4 16 25 36. मतलब 6 into 6 36. 3 into 3 9.
sir, they will also be in pair only.
बेटा नो. जैसे 4 का करूं मैं तो
Sir,
1
1 10 to
4
cut.
2 अकेला आ गया ना. 1 और 4 का पेयर बना. 2 तो अलोन हो गया. अंडरस्टूड. बट बाकी सब फैक्टर्स पेयर में होंगे. 3 20 4 15. ये सब यान यू वर सेइंग समथिंग.
So then only one digit is not in the pair. Otherwise, all
बेटा
are.
यस यही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. दे विल नॉट बी इन पेयर्स. तो पूरे पेयर्स नहीं बने ना.
Sir,
So guys,
what I missed. Sir, I missed 1 at 60. The most common ones. 1
Yes.
at
yes
I-
बेटा.
Missed 1.
So guys,
Well.
should we carry on now?
Yes.
So find
Sir,
the
break.
factors of.
Sir, break. Sir,
Sir,
break.
क्या अभी
No,
half
sir,
time
break.
है.
Question.
So 24 and 36. Find the factors of 24 and 36. नहीं पहले 24 के find करो. Let's go one by one. Find the factors of 24 quickly. 2 minutes question.
Oh. Two, 1 into
is this a Kidzo question?
No P.
So please make it a Kidzo question.
Guys, hurry up. We are so slow. 24 के तो
Sent, sir.
Sent, sir.
Yes.
so those who have done, give me the factors of 36.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Aisha.
Sir, I'm
send to
sending
me.
for 24.
Adhiraj, speak your answer, beta. You missed one factor.
Sir, let me check it from the chat.
1 factors of 36.
You can speak ना. वैसे आप notebook से answer बोल दो. Chat को छोड़ो
Yes,
आप.
sir. 2, 4.
Beta, start always with 1.
Okay, sir. Sir, I know my mistake. Sir,
So
I did
1.
write 24 only. Sir, I did write 24 only. Until
Okay,
everything is set.
So
It was
2,
just a mistake.
3. बेटा 2 के बाद हमेशा go on serial order ना. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. डॉक्टर आयशा, क्या गड़बड़ किया बेटा आपने?
Sir, I sent. Sir, I sent.
Sir, I have sent the one for the 36.
24, 6, 5, 1 and 4.
बेटा इतने कैसे मिस कर दिए आयशा आपने? देखो 1 आया तो 24 आया. 5 के टेबल में 24 आया था आयशा. सीरियसली?
Sir,
5 के टेबल में 24 आता है. सीरियसली आयशा? Then you get 2. 24 divided by 2 you get 12. 24 divided by 3 you get 8. 24 divided by 4 you get 6. बेटा प्रॉपर करो आयशा. स्टार्ट योर कैमरा. आपका नेटवर्क ठीक है बिल्कुल. कीप योर स्टार्ट योर कैमरा बेटा. यू आर मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स.
Sir, it was a Dadi question.
Daddy. If Daddy didn't agree, then how is it a Daddy?
It is a Dadi question only. Dadi, it is a Dadi question only. Sir, and we forgot to change the name of Dadi.
बेटा if she doesn't
Should
agree,
we
I
call her Dadi or Da or whatever?
Yeah, it's better. I think I can call her Tom and Jerry too.
I'll call her Dadi.
we can call her French fries also. Beta
Yes.
first send the answer. First send the answer, Rita. Don't do eating in the class.
So,
Or Dadi. Sir, see Dadi, not Rida.
sir, it's Ridha or Dadi. I don't know, but I will call her Dadi.
that's the correct
Me
answer.
too.
आयशा
9, 8, 7, 6.
बेटा कितने फैक्टर्स आए बताओ मुझे.
Sir, of 36.
Yes.
Sir, I have done. Now I have.
Tell me बेटा कितने फैक्टर्स आए मुझे बताओ.
Sir,
Yeah?
I have done. Sir, I have done 7 till now.
बेटा मुझे 1 by 1 बताओ. फर्स्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा 36 का? 1, 36 ठीक है. और
2,
2 then
3,
comma 3, then
4,
yes, then
6,
then
sir, and 13.
13 के टेबल में 36 नहीं आता बेटा.
Sir, 13 twos are
26, not 36.
It is not checked.
Yes, then बेटा.
Sir, I have written these much only.
बेटा आप मेरा आपसे एक ही कंप्लेंट है आयशा, ये फैक्टर्स आए, आपने 36 को 2 से 7 में डिवाइड क्यों नहीं करते? Why you go on keeping checking more? आपको चेक करना ज्यादा इजी लगता है इसलिए डिवाइड नहीं करना चाहते आप, राइट आयशा? यही रीजन है ना?
Sir, she thinks that divide would take time. क्या छੱਡ दो?
यस आयशा, यही रीजन है ना बेटा? सी बेटा, everyone has given, किसी का एक मिस हुआ है, 2 मिस हुआ है, but everyone has given. You are not even dividing. क्या करना है आयशा? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा बेटा? कैमरा डाउन करो आयशा. बेटा आपको प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं करना, फुल मार्क्स नहीं चाहिए टेस्ट में,
Sir, चाहिए.
तो फिर बेटा फॉलो करो आप. अगर आप क्लास को फॉलो नहीं करोगे टीचर को, तो फिर बेटा नो वन इन द वर्ल्ड कैन टीच यू. क्या करोगे? अब से डिवाइड करोगे?
Yes, sir.
तो यू डिवाइड विद ऑल एंड गिव मी द आंसर. रेस्ट किड्स विल टेक अ ब्रेक. आप मैम को पूरा आंसर भेजना डिवाइड करके.
Sir, 36.
यस बेटा, पूरे फैक्टर्स अभी हुए ही नहीं है 36 के, पूरे फैक्टर्स भेजो मैम को.
Sir, can we annotate?
नो बेटा, यू कैन एनोटेट, फाइन, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir.
अभिराज बेटा, वंस आई से नो बेटा प्लीज, एनी प्लीज डोंट डू दैट बेटा, अपने आप इरेज करो. यस आयशा, डिड यू गेट इट करेक्ट?
Yes. Sir, ma'am did not tell.
आप मुझे बता दो 6 के बाद which other factors did you find?
Sir, 12, 9, 18, 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6.
12, 9 and which one?
18.
Very good beta. Follow beta my instruction, you will get everything right. You are such a good kid na. Now guys, see, we have got the factors, everyone concentrate. We have got the factors of 24 and 36. Now can you see some, let me write in ascending order. Who will help me write in ascending order? Yes, Anna help.
Oh, right.
First, in the ascending order, you'll write first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 9.
Then you miss 6.
Yes.
Sir, Ragini ma'am had said that.
Then third, 12.
Can I tell?
All right. So we have got so many factors. Now, what are the common factors? 1 is common.
2. 3,
2 is common.
Is common.
3, 4.
10 is
3
also
is
very
common.
common. Sir, 10. Sir, 10.
बेटा रुक जाओ ना. 4 is common. 6 is common.
12.
And 12 is
Sir, 10
common.
also. Sir,
ये
10.
10 फैक्टर ही नहीं है.
Because, sir, there
Then
is.
आपको किसका फैक्टर दिख रहा है? ये तो एक का भी दिख रहा. So what are my common factors?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
So if someone asks you the common factor, these are my common factors. And
Sir, I was noting down.
which is the greatest common factor or highest common factor?
Sir, 36. 36.
No beta. Greatest common factor.
12. 12.
Got it guys? सबसे बड़ा common factor. So this सबसे बड़ा common factor is called the greatest common factor or the, रिदा आप तो खाना बंद कर दे भाई. So this, okay. So पूरी प्लेट खाली कर चुकी है रिदा already. So the greatest common factor greatest common factor is called the greatest or the highest common factor, और HCF और GCF. GCF बोलते हैं फॉरेन की बुक्स में, HCF बोलते हैं इंडिया की बुक्स में. All right, guys, समझ आया?
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
for the best color?
So, guys, now you will find me the common factors
Sir, I just
Oh.
found.
18 and 12. पहले आप सारे फैक्टर्स लिखोगे 18 के, 12 के, then you will write the factors of 18, then you will send the common factor, and then you will send the HCF. So you have to send two answers, one common factor and one HCF. So first find the factor of 12, 18, then send the common factor and then send that. Let me see if you can get it right.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, your factors अलग, highest common factor 18 अलग और 12 अलग.
No, बेटा आपको भेजना केवल चैट में कॉमन फैक्टर और HCF.
12 और 18 नहीं करना कुछ भी उसका.
12 और 18 अपनी नोटबुक में करना.
Okay.
These two notebook and these two chat notebook plus chat.
है ना चैट में ये सारे नोटबुक में.
नोटबुक में नोटबुक प्लस चैट. इससे ज्यादा डोंट चैट.
चैट काला नहीं डालना मतलब. सर 12 के और फैक्टर होते हैं.
Pure.
12 का भी 1 होता है.
6 and 9. Yeah.
Guys,
Six. 3.
One, two, three, four, 6.
Three, 9. What do I do?
सर CS और HCF की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है?
कॉमन फैक्टर एंड हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर.
ओके.
Sir, I think I will get it wrong, but I'm also thinking I will get it correct.
Ma'am, sir, I'm sending H for highest factor.
Okay. Highest common factor, beta. HCF, GCF. You are going to study this for a long, long time. You will study this in grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7. You will
सर
keep-
इस नंबर का ग्रेटेस्ट या फिर सर इस नंबर का ग्रेटेस्ट और
concept बेटा concept पढ़ते रहोगे. और greatest highest common factor is for 2 or more than 2 numbers.
सर why have ma'am put 2 crosses?
आपका आंसर भी गलत होगा. पहले मैम ने करेक्ट लगा होगा, मैम ने करेक्ट कर दिया होगा.
HCF तो मेरा सही था.
वो भी गलत होगा. डेफिनेटली गलत होगा.
मैम सर मैं तो डेफिनेटली सारा कुछ गलत है. सारा कुछ.
मेरा भी सारा कुछ.
या देख अगर आयशा
I only sent my.
Rida, just keep quiet.
वो एनालिस्ट.
Rida, आप कॉमन फैक्टर में सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट कौन सा है ये फाइंड नहीं कर पाए. आयशा, स्पीक द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. आयशा, स्पीक द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12.
सर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12.
Sir,
And
ma'am has
what are
not
the factors
checked
of 19?
Factors of 18.
18, yeah, sorry, 18.
Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4.
बेटा 4 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता. Ma'am, please give start, Tiny and Sudoku.
Sir, can you give a kidzo? So please
Yes,
only
ma'am,
we
please
two
give
got it
them a
correct.
kidzo. So yes,
By
Wow.
mistake,
Yeah, 21.
so 1, 2, 3, then 6, then
6,
Because my joining kids was not
18.
given.
बेटा you missed 9. फिर से आप
10, 18.
बेटा आप 2 से डिवाइड नहीं किया ना आयशा आपने फिर से नहीं किया ना. बताओ आयशा
बस
किया? बेटा ये मुझे बताओ, did you divide it with 2 or not?
सर मेरा बस ठीक है.
एक रहता है ये जरूरी नहीं है, रहता है ये जरूरी है. So Adhiraj, what are the common factors?
Yes, sir.
What are the common factors?
Sir, 1,
Okay,
2,
okay.
sir, 4.
4 कहाँ दिख रहा है बेटा? 18 में 4 कहाँ दिख रहा है? जो दोनों में सेम हो वो बोलना है ना आपको.
I had a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in these are said HCF equal to 6. And CF part 2, 3.
Abhiyan, बेटा let me explain. Let
Sir,
me
I didn't
explain.
get the question. I only thought that you have to give a common factors and highest common factors. I didn't understand the question.
बेटा we have to give only the height. Abhiyan, बेटा कहना है रिक्वेस्ट, जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ, आप बीच में नहीं बोलोगे ताकि वॉइस ओवरलैप नहीं हो. After I have finished explaining, then you can speak. Yes, Adhiraj.
Yes, sir. मुझे समझ नहीं आया 12 और 18 को करना क्या. I just wrote the
12 और 18 के बेटा फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं, मैंने आपको बताया भी था. You have to write the factors. Now I am
Yes.
asking common factors. आपने मुझे 1, 2 बताया, फिर 4 बोलने लगे. आप स्क्रीन से देख के तो कॉमन फैक्टर्स मुझे करेक्ट बता सकते हो ना.
Okay, sir. I'll tell. 1, 2. I've already told you. 6 and 12.
बेटा इतना स्लो जाओगे अधिराज तो कैसे काम चलेगा बेटा, इतना स्लो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो 12 है, दिस 12 कैन यू सी इन द फैक्टर ऑफ 18? वो भी गलत बोल रहे हो. स्लो बोल रहे हो, भी गलत बोल रहे हो. फिर क्यों बोला आपने 12? आपको
Sir,
दोनों में कॉमन नंबर्स नहीं दिख रहे? पजल नहीं खेला कभी आपने?
सर मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
समझ क्या नहीं आया बेटा? एक नंबर जो दोनों लाइंस में कॉमन है,
हाँ.
कॉमन नहीं निकाल पा रहे आप, which is repeat in both the lines. इसमें समझने का क्या है? So yes, who will speak the factors now? Rida, you speak the factors, common factors.
The common factors are 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
and 6.
correct. इसमें कुछ समझने का है अधिराज? Which are the numbers which are common in both the lines? Are common factors.
दोनों में है. 12
दोनों में है.
18 के में.
Yes, आप इसमें से highest बता दो. अब इसमें कुछ समझने का है? Tell me what's the highest in this line?
Sir, 6.
6. Everyone got it?
Sir, I wrote also the same.
So can we do something else instead of factors now?
But you
Yes.
said,
The same.
sir, but you said it. The highest common factor will be a 2 digits.
Excuse me, sir.
I never said highest common factor will be of 2 digits. Yes, Prithvi?
Sir, I did the same thing.
Okay, beta, ma'am must have mismarked.
My ear is not fine.
Ma'am must have mismarked. So you don't want to do factors? Then
No more factors.
No.
Then we can do factors. So
No,
we can do
No,
factors.
sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
we'll continue factors in the next class.
So can we
Mirror
do
images तो हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया था.
Sir, geometrical shapes now,
हुआ था
please.
नहीं हुआ था?
सर हो गया।
सर नहीं हुआ था,
मेरा
सर नहीं हुआ था, नहीं हुआ।
मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ।
करा तो था
ठीक है।
मेरा इमेजेस।
आई
नहीं
थिंक हो
किया
गया था,
था
बट आई विल चेक।
हो
फाइन
गया।
फाइन फाइन।
पूरी
ये सब हो गया था ना, राइट?
हाँ जी सर हो गया सर।
हो गया था। यस।
Sir, symmetrical shape.
सर
ज्योमेट्रिकल
ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप।
Symmetrical
Sir, we
shape.
will do after some. Beta, please, beta, everyone keep quiet now. See, we have already completed 5 chapters. I can't do more, Abhina. More. These geometrical shapes, solids is the only easy chapter left. Rest chapters will be difficult.
Sir, okay, we will
So are we doing geometrical shapes?
So this chapter was, beta, everyone keep quiet now. This chapter was over, not over. I think this was also over, right?
Sir, which?
From Prescott. We have done this question 28th.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I don't think we have done the achiever section.
We have not done achievers. मैंने I think हमने कर लिया.
Sir, we
This-
did this question number 33.
Yes, sir.
33 na? This
Yes,
it's
sir.
okay. This we have done 34,
No, sir.
No, sir. We did not do 34 and 35.
34, 35.
Sir, we did the 34th question.
But
Then
not
Oh,
the
yes.
35th one.
it's okay
Sir,
बेटा,
we
one
did not
question
do
खुद
the
कर लेना.
35th
Fine, fine, fine. एक question खुद कर लेना. ये नहीं किया ना हमने.
No, sir. We have not done this chapter.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Question 1, 2, 3. Send the answer.
क्या बात है और क्या बात है ओह
Diraj, please mute.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
He's mute.
Well, sir, question 1 is very difficult.
Very easy.
Easy.
Lemon and easy. Sir, these are very easy. I'm done almost. Sir, estimate me. Sir, estimate is ये क्या हो गया? Sir, estimate is
means
round
better
off.
first. Yes, first you will round off, then you will add or subtract. First round off, then add or subtract.
Okay, so
So I have to do.
किसको करते हैं estimate में round? Sir, estimate में in which place we round off?
बेटा we round off जितने, जैसे आपका नंबर है 6231, तो we'll round off to the thousands place because जो आपका maximum
Sir,
digit है thousands में. This is ones,
Okay,
tens,
sir.
100,000. तो जो maximum digit हो ना उसके हिसाब से we round according to that place.
We have to do only 3 questions.
Yes, बेटा पहले 3 questions करने हैं, फिर we will check it, then you will do the rest. Okay, बेटा. Very good, Adhiraj. Guys, buck up. Adhiraj has done all 3, got it correct.
sir.
Sir, I'm much better than I don't remember which day, but I was getting most of the
Yes,
questions.
beta, you are better than the previous classes.
Yes. Sir, I should get 17 kids because last class I got 15 kids and now I got one more extra kids means 17 kids. My joining kids was not.
So mine also. Oh, sorry, I joined late. Oh, I did well. Sir, I understood my mistake. Can I send it again?
So एनी, ऋत्वी, रिदा, मोती जी, बेटा हरी अब बहुत टाइम लगा लिया गाइस आपने, इतने इजी क्वेश्चन को बहुत टाइम लगा लिया. What is happening? Now I'll explain guys. Time up है, आप भेज दो, हम send the answer.
I've said so.
Just send the answers. Time is up. Don't send to me, Avyan.
Sir, I sent it.
So first one is Anna. What should be added to this? तो क्या करेंगे? Which operation will I perform, Anna?
माइनस कर सकती है
We will add.
बेटा
तूने
what should
नहीं
see
लिखा
listen to me. What should be added to 5 to get 10? तो हम add करेंगे कि subtract करेंगे?
So subtract.
Yes बेटा. What should be added to 5 to get 10 means we'll subtract. छोटे numbers लेके ना imagine कर लिया करो. Aisha, you also got it?
Sir, I got it wrong.
What आपने क्या किया? आपने भी add कर दिया.
Yes, sir.
1000 less than this number 42652. अगली बार से याद रखना what should be added और what should be subtracted, दोनों में subtract ही होगा. Now estimate the difference. We will round off to the 10,000s place. Anna, what will it become when I round this off to the 10,000s place?
So it will become 71,000.
70,000. I am rounding to the 10,000s place, not to the thousands place.
Okay.
10,000s place. And this, when you round to the 10,000s place, what will you get?
So 5,000.
50,000. Answer will be 20,000. Aisha, you were saying something?
Sir, how is the answer A part?
मैं आपको करके बता देता हूँ guides. 4th and 5th. अब आप do the 4th and 5th question. See, 20555 minus 2055. Ones place, Aisha should be below the ones place. याद है हमें, भूल गए भी.
Yes, sir. Remember.
So when you will do, you will get 18,500. Got it, Aisha? My dear Aisha, got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, I added it by mistake.
So do the 4th and 5th question.
What?
Fifty-one 800. 51 800. Sir,
With that,
basically I only sent this one. Recipe I can't understand.
guys,
The fifth
Sent,
one.
sir. Sent, sir.
Can I leave?
no, beta, we leave together. In 1 minute, I'm ending the class. We leave together.
Okay, sir.
So today I got no questions wrong.
Very good. So
I
round
would
off
only-
the sum.
Sir, recipe Sudoku is very teज.
So I will add this first. What will I get?
Sir, can I?
51,832. Yes, you can speak your answer.
Sir, my answer is B and B part. Double B.
So this B is definitely correct because when I round off, I get 51,800. Naughty boy, what's the second answer?
Sir,
Fifth answer.
sir,
See मोदी जी, मैं इसमें round off the sum, तो मैं पहले add करूंगा, then round off करूंगा. Understood, मोदी जी?
Sir, I first estimated it by rounding
No,
off.
beta, this is round off the sum. तो पहले we will round off, पहले we will do the sum, then we will round off.
Sir, पहला number.
So what's my fifth answer?
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after sending the questions, I tried to first round off and then plus the fourth one, and it was same answer the same.
बेटा कई बार सेम हो सकता है but in this question we have to round off the sum. It can be same at times. So what is my fifth answer?
Sir, B.
B. So Anna, should I explain?
No, sir, I got my mistake.
I sent BB.
Beta, let me check. मैंने ये check नहीं किया. Let me check. This is CD. So it will be how much? 925.
Sir, 500.
525. Okay, it will be 525. So plus 205.
Sir, it is 425.
Yeah, right.
Sir,
Correct.
look, it is 425.
425
Yes, sir.
plus 205 plus, so this will be 65. All right, guys. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer was A.
Yes, beta. आप इसको करोगे, the answer will be A.
Sir, can we
चलो
leave?
guys, that's all for today. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, Ruku Didi. Bye, Ruku Didi. Bye, bye. Bye, Hriday Rolly. Bye.
That's how we live in the end.